Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Today I want to talk about one of the most misunderstood parts of the navigation rules. That's the overtaking area of your vessel. Anytime a vessel overtakes another, no matter whether they are under sail, sail and power, or power alone, that vessel has an obligation to stay out of the way of the vessel they are overtaking. From sunset to sunrise, or during periods of reduced visibility, you are obligated to show your side lights and stern light. If you are under power, you will also show a masthead light, but let's just take a look at the side lights and stern light. Each side light covers an arc of visibility of 112.5 degrees. That's measured from dead ahead to just aft of the beam on each side of your boat. That part of the circle not covered by your side lights will be covered by your stern light. The arc of visibility of the stern light completes the circle for a total of 135 degrees. The overtaking zone of any vessel will always be equal to that arc of visibility shown by your stern light. If you approach another vessel anywhere within this 135 degree arc, consider yourself to be overtaking. If you are unsure whether you are the overtaking vessel or not, the navigation rules require that you consider yourself to be overtaking, and this means that you must stay out of the way of the other vessel at all times. In the inland waters of the United States, you may arrange passing signals on your VHF radio. If you cannot reach an agreement by radio, you must use the whistle or horn to communicate. One short blast means I propose to overtake you on your starboard side. Two short blasts means I propose to overtake you on your port side. If the other vessel agrees with your intentions, they would sound the same exact blast. If they do not agree with your intentions, or they deem your intentions dangerous, they would sound 5 or more short blasts. In international waters, when overtaking another vessel in a narrow channel or fairway, if you intend to overtake them on the starboard side, sound 2 prolonged followed by 1 short blasts. If you intend to overtake them on their port side, sound 2 prolonged followed by 2 short blasts. If the other vessel is in agreement with your intentions, they would sound 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged, 1 short blasts. And if they disagree with your intentions or deem it dangerous, they would sound 5 or more short blasts. Now you understand the overtaking zone and how the navigation rules apply when risk of collision exists. Use these sailing navigation tips to sail safer on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.